I'm going to show you how to implement floating banner ads in Sketchware projects. So as preview, this is the preview. So you can see the banner ad is floated and the list view as. So let's start how to make it. Open Sketchware and create a project. In this case, I will create as floating banner ads. Ads create, and first of all, I'm going to enable the library of AdMob, add them manually. In case I will use test ads, and in this case I will use the website of AdMob, which they publish the test ads. So in this case I will take only the banner ad. Okay, copy it and go to Sketchware and add manually banner. In this case I don't put the interstitial ads, paste it. I don't need interstitial ads, so I will click next and put the both events of the banner ads ID, both. Next, put the ad test at your device ID. Next, save. So now it's okay. So now just put a linear horizontal, another linear horizontal, linear 1 and linear 2. Linear 2 width should be 55 and padding 0, and margin all should be 4, so it will be expand, and the gravity should be center horizontal and center vertical, and add view. Done. And after adding add view, click the linear 2 and set transition Y as -70 and put linear 1 as match parent and put a list view. So you can see how I will put linear 1 padding 0, so it will be more clear, and list view height as match parent. And now let's load the ad. So on create, we need to load the ad. So on create, I'm going to load the ad. Add view load ad. Then I will create a list to make a simple list, string list. Repeat. Just I need 20 times, better 100. Repeat 100 times. Add list to list string to a number. So here I will to string without decimals. I will put some random number so you can understand how it works. Strings, pick random number. It's at 1000 to 5000. Yeah, it's okay. 5000, and then refresh it. String refresh. Take the both and put here list. String list as list view as list 1, list view 1. So done. So here we put the list, and let's run the project and see how it works. So now this is how we implement actually banner ads. The problem is when you scroll up and down, the ad will be not going down because the last position of the list view, if you are implementing with the list view, the last position of the list view will be not shown. As an example, I will show you, will be not shown. So as an example, wait, open it. So as example, so this is the list view, and now you can see the ad will be load. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, the ad is loaded, so you can see it's floating. So the problem is the last line. You can see here the last line cannot be checked. So this is one issue of banner ads, because you cannot get. So in my next video I will tell you how to hide the ad when you scroll the bottom, or it's better if you put a time, like after 20 seconds the ad will be displayed, gone out, it be fade out, it will gone. So these are some more features you can prevent of this problem, this issue. So hope you understand how to put floating banner ads in Sketchware projects apps, and hope you liked, and please subscribe, and after subscribe please hit the help bell, because you can get the videos that I'm making next, and I'm thinking to make more videos of Sketchware. And thank you.